Hi guys, I'm just taking a stroll early in the morning here just to get some fresh air. I'm on my way to the park just to get away from everything, relax, and yeah, just to get my mind off stuff. Even though I'm doing a video going there, but that's how I am. I'm like a workaholic. I can't stop, and but it feels so good to just go to the park, just relax. And I think that's what I need to remind myself. Like, the whole point in me doing online business is to give myself that freedom to do the things that I want to do. Okay, it's just because I've been struggling online for some time, trying to figure all of this stuff out, and I didn't want to take a break because I was like, no, I have to figure all of this out before I can even relax. But to a certain extent, I think that's still what I believe. But the fact that I'm getting small results now kind of has helped me to relax a bit, and like, not small results, but a couple of things that I'm doing now is finally paying off, and my work is paying off. And I'm still got a lot more to learn. Oh my god, sorry, for a minute I actually thought that a bird was standing on top of another bird's head literally, but he's actually in front of him, standing on a pole. It just, from this direction, don't know if you can see, you probably can't see it from here, but anyway, from this direction it actually looks like he's standing on his head. But anyway, I just came out to this park just to really just get connected with nature. But in this video, what I want to be talking to you about is how important it is to invest in platforms and systems online. Okay, and the reason why it's so important is because it helps you automate things where you don't have to be there to figure things out. The work isn't as hard because softwares are out there to literally work for you. Okay, and a lot of people, when they first get started online, and this is understandable because they're just getting started, so maybe they don't have much money to spend or whatever, but a lot of people, they don't want to spend money, or they don't want to invest in tools, they don't want to invest in these softwares. But trust me, you need to be able to find the money from somewhere. Okay, whether it's getting another part-time job or getting a job to pay for those things, because that's just going to cut the bullshit out for you. Oh my god, it's super muddy over here. That's literally going to cut the bullshit out, because it saves you time and hassle to do things, but like all yourself. With online, obviously, it's all about using tools, systems, and platforms to really automate things and make things easier. Sorry, my eyes are really sensitive to the cold, so they're slightly watering. But yeah, basically, so the point of this video is investing in tools and platforms for you to use to grow your business is essential if you want to grow it like as fast as possible. Okay, now there's some tools that are one-time payments, there are some tools that are monthly payments, but you're gonna have to spend some money in order to be able to make life easier for you. I'll give you an example. When I first got started, I didn't want to invest any money whatsoever. And it's because really I never had money. I know it's kind of embarrassing to say, but I never actually had the investment money in the beginning to start off with. And a lot of people don't. I mean, some people, they get into online marketing because they're looking for a way out of their financial situation. Okay, so I can relate to that. But I just wish that I knew what I knew now. Now, I want to let you know that not everything works for me. you know, there was some tools that were absolute shit and I dump. But you need to get into the habit of wanting to spend on your business constantly. And it sounds freaking ridiculous to keep wanting to spend, but you know, if you don't have that habit of, you know, oh, let me try this out, let me try that out, let me try that out, then you're never going to find something that actually works. And that's basically what happened to me. Now just imagine if like only 3 things work, 3 tools that you buy, and some of them are not even that expensive, to be honest. I just recently invested in an amazing video marketing tool that I wish I found before, but you know, it's only been recent that I've really been doing research, product research, to find new things. And you know, it's, you know, the investment is so worth it, because later on it's gonna help you so much. It's gonna help you so much. So anyway, basically the point that I'm trying to make is you want to be investing in your business. And if you're not spending money, you're spending lots and lots of time. And believe me, I don't think you have enough time on your hands to completely do everything for free. There's going to be something that you have to pay for, okay? So you know, what kind of things do I recommend? You know, what kind of best online platforms I recommend? There are quite a few out there. There's actually one I've recently joined, and basically what this does, it's a texting tool. So basically when anyone phones that number for your service, whatever you're offering, or anyone phones that number, they instantly become a lead. Okay, so that's automation, guys. That is automation. And not just that, they don't just automatically become a lead, but also you have like a robot called Ava, and what she does is she texts them all of the information and everything. It's like a proper conversation, like with a human being, but she's a robot. Okay, and you can set your own messages up in there as well. Okay, so you know, just imagine if you put an ad out, call this number for this service or whatever. It could be your primary business, because TextBot doesn't just work for promoting itself, but it also works for promoting your primary business. That's ultimately what the tool is. It's for business owners that want to they want a good lead generation tool to promote their business. So imagine if you've got 3-4 tools all working for you. So you've got one that's doing that, one that's doing, you know, like video marketing or whatever, and you've got all of these little tools that are actually successfully working for you. Life for you is going to be so much more easier, because things are automated. You're literally automated your business, and that's what they call, you know, being at the beach and you're making money, being outside and you're making money, you're sleeping and you're earning commissions. That's basically it in a nutshell, because the internet actually does give you that passive income when you use the tools. Now there are some free tools, absolutely free tools, like for example YouTube, social media. You know, I'm doing a video now. In a year's time, people are going to see this video if I'm doing it correctly. And you know, if I'm doing my YouTube correctly. My channel at the moment is it wasn't very active until recently, because I'm using things to build it. So, and if you want more information on how I build my YouTube channel, I'll put links in the description. So there is a few tools again that I use to rank my videos on YouTube, but you know, I was really put off back in the days, because I used to do these videos and no one used to see them. Like literally, I would do these videos, put out these videos, like I would crank them out every single day, and no one would be able to see them. And that used to really piss me off, because like it's like work for nothing. It's like I'm working for nothing, basically. So it was very depressing actually, and very stressful. And you know, maybe you can relate to that, maybe it's happened to you, maybe it hasn't happened to you, but that's what I mean by using tools and softwares to make life easier for you. So if you want more information about TextBot and how to build your business using TextBot, then you can click the link in the description below this video, or call me. And there are a few other tools, like as I mentioned, well actually one other tool as I mentioned, which is the video marketing software. It's a platform. It's actually based on cloud. It's cloud-based, which is really good. So you don't have to even download the software on your computer. You can just use it from the platform. That's what I love about it actually, because I hate downloading software. It just takes up so much memory on the laptop. So I like cloud devices. And to be honest, I can't really download it anyway because I don't have a Windows, what do you call it? But anyway, please do like, comment and subscribe if you've found this video beneficial, value, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.